Toyota Tundra 2000. This is just some old footage I had from replacing my exhaust manifolds. Want to show in case anyone needed to see what it was like with it off. You got to polish that surface really well before you put the new manifolds on. Just kind of some random clips here to show during the reinstall process. So I got this gasket that came with my headers that I bought for cheap on eBay, and even after replacing this, still leaks a little bit. So I'm thinking it's this cheap gasket. So eventually I may buy the stock Toyota gaskets and take these off and put them back on with the right parts. But everything was able to line up. These eBay headers, they're like $110 for a set, and I had to drill out the holes, a couple of the holes a little bigger so they'd fit over the lugs, because it's kind of a tight fit if I didn't do that. And you can see here the mismatch in the gasket. I didn't like that really at all, but kind of get to that point in a project where you've been working on it so long, you just want to finish, so you let a couple things go. So I'm going to try to get over here and show also on the other side, same thing. So it wasn't really a matter of moving the gasket left or right, or widening the holes, because it was a little too small on both the left and the right side. So now I've got the header kind of pressed up against where it should go. Just need to put the nuts on, and I'll take you down to see the under here to see the down pipes, or the catalytic converter pipes are connected. Already got that bolted in. There's also a gasket there. So pointing to the spot where the oxygen sensor goes in underneath. And just taking another look here on top. This is the passenger side of the engine. So let's see, this next clip is actually my last clip, and I'm underneath looking forward towards the front of the car. And this clip is just to show the engine mount. I didn't loosen or remove my engine mounts or lift the engine at all. I was able to sneak in there with different size sockets and get to those bolts and studs that were between the engine mount and the exhaust header, and I did cut off the exhaust header into a couple pieces to be able to do that on the install. There's room. I mean, you could squeak your fingers in, or use duct tape to duct tape the nut to your socket, or whatever you have to do to sneak in there.